In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw cryptocurrencies from the platform Phemex. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. And depending on how much you deposit and trade, you can get up to $8,800 in bonuses. To create an account, you simply have to enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Alright, so if you want to withdraw crypto now, simply go up here to your wallet and then click on withdraw. Then choose the currency that you want to withdraw. You can also see your balance right here. So for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whichever one you want to use. In this case, I'm going to go for US dollar Tether. Then you need to choose a network. So you can use different networks. Always you need to make sure, of course, where you want to send the money that you're using the same network right there. In this case, I can choose, for example, the Solana network. Then you need to type in the address right here. So from your own wallet or your exchange where you want to send the money, simply click on deposit right there, and then you will be presented with a deposit address, and you need to copy that one and just paste it in right here. Then you need to type in the amount that you want to withdraw. And then after that, once you've set all of that up, just simply click down here on withdraw, and then that's pretty much already it. Usually it only takes a few minutes for the money to arrive. If you also want to know how you can withdraw fiat, so US dollar or pound or euro to your own bank account, check out the video description. I have a separate video on that on my channel. Don't forget to create an account on Phemex by using the link down from the video description to get up to $8,800 in welcome bonuses. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.